We are extremely excited to introduce the all-new VRSI Unity Editor tool. VRSI, or Virtual Reality Stereo Imposters, exclusively designed to bring unsurpassed scene complexity and density to all virtual reality projects. Achieving infinite detail and complexity in VR with true stereoscopic 3D relightable imposters at almost zero performance impact is now possible. Make your scenes look incredibly dense with foliage, trees, rocks, signs, or anything you can represent as a billboard. They look great at any distance, even extreme close-ups.
Traditional 2D billboards or standard stereo pair images in virtual reality cannot be effectively used as an imposter to show a realistic representation. It either looks flat or suffers from the known stereo image pop-out effect as viewing distance changes. VRSI solves both of these issues by taking advantage of a feature only available in virtual reality. VRSI allows for an ultra-realistic representation that can be used as an imposter, which can also be dynamically lit, cast, and receive shadows just like the real object after a very simple and rapid creation process in VRSI Creation Studio.
Here is a quick demonstration of how to generate a VRSI ready to be used in your project. It is simple and fast. The generated VRSI can be dynamically lit, cast, and receive shadows, and it looks identical to the high poly source object, but only one polygon. Step 1. First, we open the VRSI Creator scene and place our reference object in the scene. In this case, it is a 40,000 polygon tree, making sure it is centered at the origin of the scene. Step 2. Select VRSI Creator from the editor and adjust the parameters to fit the reference object within the square camera bounds as tight as possible. Step 3. We can now adjust a few parameters such as eye separation, VRSI resolution, and that's it. We are now ready to render. We simply hit the Create VRSI button, and in just a few seconds, the VRSI is ready. Once complete, we can either drag the VRSI into our scene or alternatively preview it in VR by simply clicking the Start VR Preview button. Inside VR, the generated VRSI looks identical to the real object. It has correct depth and the stereoscopic separation is dynamically accommodated by the distance to the camera.
Here, we will generate another VRSI, this time a highly dense vine, comprising of over 2 million polygons. Again, we simply open the VRSI Creation Studio scene in Unity. Then, just drag our vines onto objects to render parent object. As you can see, it is extremely dense and will not be suitable for VR, especially if we like to use multiple or even thousands or millions of instances. Please keep in mind that generated VRSI billboards can only be seen correctly inside VR as the user will see the complete depth parallax. Next, we simply click VRSI Creator and quickly adjust parameters, making sure to fit the vines within the boundaries as tight and as close as possible. Now we can give it a name, choose its size, and also choose if we want this to be relightable. Okay, we are ready to render. Just click Generate VRSI, and in just a few moments, it is ready to be used inside your project. The 2 million polygon vine can now be represented with a single polygon with almost zero performance impact, as they can all be hardware instance. Almost any object, regardless of complexity, can be used to generate and populate your VR projects. VRSI makes possible to achieve incredible detail and density at the highest quality for everyone.
The ultimate tool for achieving infinite detail across any VR project, VRSI, will finally be available very soon on the Unity Asset Store with downloadable executable demos for both PC and the Oculus Quest, so you can try it out for yourself.